Welcome to a Planet Doug special tutorial. This tutorial is about using the chapters feature on YouTube. So here's one of my videos on YouTube, and if you notice this line here that's on the screen, it shows where the where the time is right now, 3 seconds, the total length of the video. But then right here it says start with an arrow. And that is actually part of the chapters feature. That doesn't show up normally. This is something that, as the video creator, you can choose to put into your videos or not. And for this particular video, I did set chapters. So that's why this shows up here. And if I pull the through the video, now you see all these red bars with little breaks in between each of them. Each one of those is a chapter. And again, this is something that I set up when I edited the video and uploaded it to YouTube. YouTube videos don't naturally have this feature. The YouTube creator has to put it in themselves. So this bar here is one chapter. You can see that's a longer one. Here's another chapter beside it. And as I pull the red dot through the video, you can see the chapter names change. So right now I'm in the chapter title snack number 5. And as I pull to the left, you'll see this little picture shows up above it. And now I'm in chapter snack number 4, snack number 2, snack number 1, Chatuchak Market, at Chatuchak MRT, etc. And each one of these is an individual chapter. And of course, you can just hit the play button as normal. The video starts to play, and after a while, all that information disappears. But if you click on the screen or touch your screen, if you have a touch screen, then the chapter name pops up and you can see what chapter you are in. Now, if you want to see the rest of the chapters, it's very easy. If you just click on the chapter title with the little arrow beside it, a window opens up down below. And right here are all the various chapters. And as I said, this is something that I did when I was editing the video. So I gave each chapter a starting time. So at Athet Pier starts at 52 seconds. Monitor Lizard starts at 2 minutes 50 seconds, etc. And I wrote the titles for each chapter as well. And all you need to do is click on these. So if I want to go to the very start of the video, I just click on this thumbnail and it jumps automatically to the very beginning. I want to watch the chapter about the Monitor Lizard. I just click on it and it jumps to the beginning of the chapter about the Monitor Lizard, and you can just jump from chapter to chapter, as much as you want. And that's not the only way of seeing the chapter titles. Let's close this and go back to the video. If you click on this arrow here, this opens up the information page about this video, and you'll also see down at the bottom, here are the chapters as well, and they are arranged from left to right. And you can do the exact same thing here. You can scroll from side to side, click on various chapters in order to jump to that chapter. And if you click on the View All button, then it just jumps back to this view again. So you have that view and that view. And if you click on the More, like to open up the video description, click on the More button, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here are the actual chapters. And this is how the video creator inserts the chapters. You basically put this inside the video description, and then the YouTube program automatically creates the chapter structure. The key to this is the very first one has to be 00:00, and then you give a title to that chapter. And if you put this code in your video description, that triggers the chapters feature, and then you have to go through your video, note all the starting times for the different sections of your video, write them all down in the same format, and then give your chapters titles. And if you do this, then YouTube automatically creates the chapters for you. And you can jump to chapters here as well. So if I click on this one, Bangpo Pier and MRT at 12:21, we've jumped right there to the beginning of that chapter. As you can see, if I want to go to snack number 3, starts at 37 minutes, I just click on it, and now we're at that chapter, snack number 3, and it starts right at 37 minutes. And it has some other interesting little features built into it. I probably don't know all of them myself. I only know the basics. But if you open up this view again, you notice there is a share button. So if, for example, you wanted to share something from this video with another person, you can use this share button to do it. So let's jump to the Monitor Lizard chapter. And let's say, I think this is really interesting and I want to share it with my friend. I click on the share button, and you can see that if I copy the link or share to any of these sites, it will automatically share that chapter starting at 250. So you copy the link, and now I can copy and paste that link, and it will, if that person clicks on that link, it will bring them to this time code in the video, which is a very handy, very fast feature. And this will play that chapter in a loop. So if I click on that, the video starts to play, and it says chapter repeat is on. So when it gets to the end of this chapter, it will just go back to the beginning and keep playing that same chapter in a loop over and over again until you click on it and turn it off. Interesting to note that when you have a chapter structure on a YouTube video, you don't have to use it. You can just continue to watch videos as you normally do. You know, you hit the play button and hit the pause button, as you always do. The chapter feature does not interfere at all. It doesn't, you don't have to use it even though it's there. But since it is a very handy feature, it's nice to know about it. So far, I've been demonstrating how it works while the video is paused, but it works exactly the same way when the video is playing. And in fact, that is actually when it is more useful. So I'm going to start playing the video. I have the volume turned off, so you're not going to hear anything, but you'll see that the video is now playing. And if I click on the screen, it opens up that line, and I can look at the chapters. So again, you can see the video is playing, but now I don't want to finish this chapter. I want to jump to the next one to see what's happening down here. I just click on it, and the video will automatically start to play at the beginning of that chapter. So here I arrive at Chatuchak Market. I just click on it, and there I am. The video plays automatically. I want to jump ahead to snack number 2. I find snack number 2, click on that, and there I am at the beginning of that chapter. I want to go to the conclusion of the video. I can just jump there, and it starts to play. Now I want to start the video all over again. I go back to the very start, click on it, and the video begins to play. And now, wow, I wonder what's going on with that Monitor Lizard. Just click on there, and it jumps automatically to the start of that chapter. So that's something I thought would be important to point out, that it works both when the video is paused and it works while it's playing. So at any point while the video is playing, again, if we start from here and then I click on this little arrow, opens up this section. Here are the chapters down here. And again, I can do the same thing. Click on this one, the start one, to go to the beginning. The video starts playing from the beginning. I want to jump ahead to when I arrive at Bangpo Pier. I just click on it, and I automatically jump ahead to that point. And that's it for this special Planet Doug tutorial video. I hope that helps you out a little bit, and I'll see you in the next video.